Subscribe if you want more fast theorem decks like this, because today we are doing a quick sweep through 15 angle theorems you should know on sight. These are simpler than the full circle deck, but they show up everywhere. Basic geometry, parallel lines, triangles, polygons, and quick diagram chasing. We will go one by one. For each card, I will say what to spot, what the theorem says, and one short proof hint. Number 1 out of 15, complementary angles. If two angles fill one right angle, then together they make 90 degrees. Proof hint, they are just two adjacent pieces of one right angle corner. Number 2 out of 15, supplementary angles. If two adjacent angles sit on one straight line, then together they make 180 degrees. Proof hint, they partition one straight angle. Number 3 out of 15, angles around a point. All the sectors around one point add to 360 degrees. Proof hint, one full turn is always 360. Number 4 out of 15, triangle angle sum. The three interior angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees. Proof hint, draw a parallel through one vertex and place the three angles on one line. Number 5 out of 15, Polygon interior angle sum. An n-gon has interior angle sum equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Proof hint, split the polygon into triangles from one vertex. Number 6 out of 15, Isosceles triangle theorem. Equal sides give equal base angles. Proof hint, cut the triangle down the middle and compare the two congruent halves. Number 7 out of 15, exterior angle theorem. An exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. Proof hint, combine triangle sum with the straight line angle at the extended side. Number 8 out of 15, vertical angle theorem. Opposite angles made by two crossing lines are equal. Proof hint, both supplement the same neighboring angle. Number 9 out of 15, alternate interior angle theorem. With parallel lines, the z-shaped angles are equal. Proof hint, use the straight line and compare the matching turns across the transversal. Number 10 out of 15, co-interior angle theorem. With parallel lines, the inside C-shaped pair adds to 180 degrees. Proof hint, convert one angle to an alternate angle, then use a straight line. Number 11 out of 15, corresponding angle theorem. With parallel lines, the F-shaped pair is equal. Proof hint, matching positions on parallel lines keep the same turn. Number 12 out of 15, angles subtended by the same arc. Angles standing on the same chord or arc are equal. Proof hint, both are half of the same center angle. Number 13 out of 15, angle at center versus angle at circumference. The angle at the center is double the angle at the edge standing on the same arc. Proof hint, join the center to the endpoints and use isosceles triangles. Number 14 out of 15, angle in a semicircle. A triangle built on a diameter has a right angle on the circle. Proof hint, it is half of a straight angle at the center. Number 15 out of 15, opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles in one circle add to 180 degrees. Proof hint, each angle is half of an arc, and the two arcs fill the circle. Now, step back and notice the pattern. Angle geometry is really a small toolkit. Right angles, straight lines, full turns, parallel line matching, and a few circle angle facts. Master these and a lot of elementary geometry starts to collapse quickly. If this deck helped, subscribe and come back for future videos like this. And when you finish this one, go straight to the top 15 circle facts deck next, because those circle angle facts connect naturally with what you just reviewed here.